Most people watch YouTube for free, but today I will show you how to get paid for it with this three websites that I'm actually going to show you. So before I dive into it, if this is your first time coming across to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online without any investment. So if you are actually interested, kindly do me a favor by smashing the like button and also subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a video, YouTube is going to notify you. The website that I'm going to talk about is called Idle Empire. So wait before you go and do the research about it. So all you have to do is to go to Chrome and search Idle Empire, and this interface is going to pop up. If this interface doesn't pop up, then make sure that it is not the legit website. So you can see that these are the process on how you can set up an account. So here they're saying that no extra registration needed. You can immediately sign up to our platform with your already existing account. So if you don't have an account, I'm going to show you how to set up your account. So first of all, click the sign over here, and you can see that I have account on this platform. So this is what you have to do. Click in here and click on sign up. This interface is going to pop up, and make sure that here you say that this is where create account is. So for you to set up your account, all you have to do is to enter your real name over here and your email address over here, and enter your strong password and also confirm your password, and also come and click on I'm not a robot over here. Then click on this section, then create your account. It is very simple. But this is the second website that I'm going to show you. It's called Ysense. So let's scroll down and let's see ways that they can pay you through this website. So this one, they also pay you for surveys. You answer some simple questions and they pay you, and they also pay you to watch a video, sign up for a website, and also download some apps. So this is additional bonus. If you don't want to watch video, you can also do extra jobs here and also get paid for it. And this website is also going to pay you for inviting your friend to join the website. You can see that if you invite any friend and the friend also earn money from this platform, they are actually going to give you 10% of whatever referral is making. So first of all, let me show you how you can able to set up your account. First, make sure to click on this three dots over here, and you can see that sign in. So if you don't have an account, click on join now. So this is how the interface is going to pop up when you click on sign up. So first of all, also you have to enter your email address and password and strong password and click on join. So don't forget that I'm going to show you the first website, and also I'm going to show you the proof that I made money from this first website. So make sure not to skip any part of this. So this is the first website that I'm going to talk about. So this website pay you to do many things on this platform. They also pay you to do a micro jobs, small jobs that you can get paid for it. And this website, I'm going to show you my payment proof, and I'm also going to show you how you can watch YouTube videos on this platform and also get paid. So before then, let me show you how you can able to set up your account. So click on sign up over here, and these are the process for you to set up your account without any investment. So first of all, enter your first name over here, your last name, enter your nickname over here, and enter your strong email address over here, and enter your password, and make sure to confirm your password and select your country. It works worldwide, whether you're from Bangladesh, Nigeria, or Algeria, anywhere in the world. This website will approve you to start working. So then click on agree and click on send me emails and click on send them. So I have an account. I will show you my payment proof, and also I'm going to show you how you can start earning from this website. Finally, log in into my account, and this is how the interface looks like. So first of all, let me show you how you can able to withdraw your money from this platform over here. So click on three dots over here and come to wallet and scroll down over here. You can see that for the past 3 years I've been able to withdraw money from this website. So I've made over 6.7 USDT. I withdraw the money to LTC. Now let me show you how you can able to watch YouTube videos on this platform and get paid. First of all, scroll down over here and you can see that this is jobs and category. Click on category and scroll down over here. You'll see a video marketing. Click on the video marketing and scroll up and click on apply here. You can see that these are some of the jobs over here. These are some of the jobs. They will pay you to watch YouTube videos. A very short video. So this one will pay you 0.05 cent to watch 3 minutes YouTube video, and this one is also going to pay you 0.05 to watch 3 minutes YouTube video. So these are some of the videos that you watch on YouTube without getting paid. By this website, they're going to pay you just to watch YouTube video for free. So you can use your extra time, your data that you use to watch video. You can come here and watch some of the videos, and you're definitely going to get paid. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you are actually interested in a video like this. And this is what I have for. Watch out for my next update. Peace out.